Hey Anna, come here. What are you eating? Hey Anna. 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 It's good? It's good? Hey, don't touch the... Oh. Why you do that? Any shout-outs? Shout-outs to anybody? Okay. Anna.
Thank you, baby. That's good. Can I have the...
Hey Dad. What? What? Oh, hey, hey. I have a phone and there's a pole.
My phone?
Stick.
I have your phone.
Both.
It's your phone.
We good, dude? Record over here.
Still recording? Yeah. Did you even get Anna? Go get her. She's eating right now. Go get her.
Yeah, get it.
No, go get... Bring the phone with you! Hi, baby! Yeah, she's gonna go back. Pull her dress down. Yeah. Anna! Anna is yummy? You're blocking your sister. Gross, dude. Gross. Gross. Can you get out of the way, please?
Shout out to my mom.
Get out, please.
Shout out to all the governor in California.
What?
Shout out to Jim Carrey for being in Canada. Justin Bieber, Drake. To my homie Will Ferrell. Good stuff.
Wait, don't move. I'm picking your ear with a stick. Okay, now I'm gonna pick your nose with a stick. Wait, I'm gonna pick your nose with a stick. He's behind you, Dad.